In this section, we're going to be taking a look at changing the WordPress defaults. So why change them? Well, the reason for changing the WordPress defaults is because anyone that wants to break into your site knows that WordPress uses certain naming conventions when WordPress is first installed. And quite often people either don't realize this or are just too lazy to change them to something a little bit better. So what are we going to change? Well, let's take a look. We're going to change the table prefix. When WordPress gets installed, it uses a default of table prefix of WP_. So we'll look at the different methods of installing WordPress and I'll show you how to change the table prefix. We're going to change the WordPress admin username. It's a big security risk to leave the default username as admin. Whenever you see a brute force attack on a WordPress website, that's usually the first thing they try. We're going to change that to something a bit better. You need a strong password. Often people use very predictable passwords, such as their first name, last name, family name, pet's name, or just simple numerics like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or password of password. So I'm going to show you how to generate a strong password that nobody's going to guess. WordPress also has certain security keys, and quite often these are overlooked, but they can increase the security of your site quite substantially. I'll show you how to set these up. And lastly, something which is often overlooked is the display name. It's all very well coming up with a far better administrator username than admin, but if you're then displaying it on your site, telling everybody what it is, then it's not much of a security measure.